Virgo is one of the constellations of the zodiac. Its name is Latin for virgin, and its symbol is Virgo. Lying between Leo to the west and Libra to the east, it is the second largest constellation in the sky. It can be easily found through its brightest star, Spica. Location: the bright Spica makes it easy to locate Virgo, as it can be found by following the curve of the Big Dipper plough to Arcturus in Boots and continuing from there in the same curve. Due to the effects of precession, the first point of Libra lies within the boundaries of Virgo, very close to Beta Virginis. This is one of the 2 points in the sky where the celestial equator crosses the ecliptic. This point will pass into the neighboring constellation of Leo around the year 2440. Notable features: stars besides Spica. Other bright stars in Virgo include Beta Virginis, Gamma Virginis, Delta Virginis, and Epsilon Virginis. Other fainter stars that were also given names are Zeta Virginis, Eta Virginis, Iota Virginis, and Mu Virginis. The star 70 Virginis has one of the first known extrasolar planetary systems, with one confirmed planet 7.5 times the mass of Jupiter. The star Chi Virginis has one of the most massive planets ever detected, at a mass of 11.1 times that of Jupiter. The Sun-like star 61 Virginis has 3 planets. 1 is a super-Earth and 2 are Neptune-mass planets. SS Virginis is a variable star with a noticeable red color. It varies in magnitude from a minimum of 9.6 to a maximum of 6.0 over a period of approximately 1 year. Exoplanets: there are 35 verified exoplanets orbiting 29 stars in Virgo, including PSRB 1257 plus 12, 70 Virginis, Chi Virginis, 61 Virginis, NY Virginis, and 59 Virginis. Deep sky objects: because of the presence of a galaxy cluster within its borders 5 degrees to 12 degrees west of Epsilon Virgo, this constellation is especially rich in galaxies. Some examples are Messier 49, Messier 58, Messier 59, Messier 60, Messier 61, Messier 84, Messier 86, Messier 87, Messier 89, and Messier 90. A noted galaxy that is not part of the cluster is the Sombrero Galaxy, an unusual spiral galaxy. It is located about 10 degrees due west of Spica. NGC 4639 is a face-on-barred spiral galaxy located 7 quintillion 23 quadrillion 737 trillion 936 billion 976 million 861,302 spadesuit 78 mly from Earth. Its outer arms have a high number of Cepheid variables, which are used as standard candles to determine astronomical distances. Because of this, astronomers used several Cepheid variables in NGC 4639 to calibrate Type 1a supernovae as standard candles for more distant galaxies. Virgo possesses several galaxy clusters, one of which is HCG 62. A Hickson compact group. HCG 62 is at a distance of 7 quintillion 24 quadrillion 189 trillion 214 billion 609 million 451,616 spadesuit 200 mly from Earth and possesses a large central elliptical galaxy. It has a heterogeneous halo of extremely hot gas posited to be due to the active galactic nucleus at the core of the central elliptical galaxy. M87 is the largest galaxy in the Virgo cluster, and is at a distance of 7 quintillion 23 quadrillion 567 trillion 643 billion 828 million 354,848 spadesuit 60 mly from Earth. It is a major radio radio source, partially due to its jet of electrons being flung out of the galaxy by its central supermassive black hole. Because this jet is visible in several different wavelengths, it is of interest to astronomers who wish to observe black holes in a unique galaxy. M84 is another elliptical radio galaxy in the constellation of Virgo. It is at a distance of 7 quintillion 23 quadrillion 567 trillion 643 billion 828 million 354,848 spade suit 60 mly as well. Astronomers have surmised that the speed of the gas clouds orbiting the core indicates the presence of an object with a mass 300 million times that of the Sun, which is most likely a black hole. The Sombrero Galaxy M104 is an edge-on spiral galaxy located 28 million light-years from Earth. It has a bulge at its center made up of older stars that is larger than normal. It is surrounded by large bright globular clusters and has a very prominent dust lane made up of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. NGC 4438 is a peculiar galaxy with an active galactic nucleus at a distance of 7 quintillion 23 quadrillion 473 trillion 36 billion 523 million 629,040 spade suit 50 mly from Earth. Its supermassive black hole is ejecting jets of matter, creating bubbles with a diameter of up to 7 quintillion 17 quadrillion 737 trillion 936 billion 976 million 861,302 spade suit 78 light-years. NGC 4261 also has a black hole 7 quintillion 17 quadrillion 189 trillion 214 billion 609 million 451,616 spade suit 20 light-years from its center with a massive 1.2 billion solar masses. It is located at a distance of 7 quintillion 23 quadrillion 425 trillion 732 billion 871 million 266,136 spade suit 45 mly from Earth, and has an unusually dusty disk with a diameter of 7 quintillion 18 quadrillion 283 trillion 821 billion 914 million 177,424 spade suit 300 light-years. Along with M84 and M87, NGC 4261 has strong emissions in the radio spectrum. IC 1101 is a supergiant elliptical galaxy in the Abell 2029 galaxy cluster located about 7 quintillion 25 quadrillion 101 trillion 229 billion 816 million 56,614 spade suit 1.07 gli from Earth. At the diameter of 5.5 million light-years, or more than 50 times the size of the Milky Way, it was the largest known galaxy in the universe. Virgo is also home to the quasar 3C273, which was the first quasar ever to be identified. With a magnitude of ~12.9, it is also the optically brightest quasar in the sky. Mythology. According to the Babylonian Mul, Apen, which dates from 1000 to 686 BCE, this constellation was known as the Pharaoh, representing the goddess Shallow's ear of grain. One star in this constellation, Spica, retains this tradition as it is Latin for ear of grain, one of the major products of the Mesopotamian pharaoh. The constellation was also known as Tab. Sin, and Absinu. For this reason the constellation became associated with fertility. According to Gavin White, the figure of Virgo corresponds to two Babylonian constellations, the Pharaoh in the eastern sector of Virgo and the Frond of Arua in the western sector. The Frond of Arua was depicted as a goddess holding a palm frond, a motif that still occasionally appears in much later depictions of Virgo. The Greeks and Romans associated Virgo with the goddess of wheat agriculture, Demeter Ceres, who is the mother of Persephone Proserpina. Alternatively, she was sometimes identified as the virgin goddess Astitia or Astraea, holding the scales of justice in her hand as the constellation Libra. Another myth identifies Virgo as Eragon, the daughter of Icarius of Athens. Icarius, who had been favored by Dionysus, was killed by his shepherds while they were intoxicated, and Eragon hanged herself in grief. Dionysus placed the father and daughter in the stars, as Bootes and Virgo respectively. In the Middle Ages, Virgo was sometimes associated with the Blessed Virgin Mary. Virgo is often portrayed carrying two sheaves of wheat, one of which is marked by the bright star Spica. Citations